morning, children. So let's write next question, question number 3, that is choose the correct alternative. Okay, number 1, pulses are very good, very good source of dash. Okay, 4 options are given. That is, one is carbohydrate, second is proteins, third is fats, and fourth is minerals. Okay, the pulses are a good source of, pulses means all the dals, they are good source of proteins. Okay, write down answer, proteins. Proteins. Then B, provide maximum energy, provide maximum energy, maximum energy to the body. Four options are given. One is cereals, second leafy vegetables, third is water, fourth is amla. Fourth is amla, means aura. Okay, which provide maximum energy to the body. Leafy vegetable, that is, so answer is cereals. So answer is cereals, gives us maximum energy to the body. Okay, then third is goiter is caused by the deficiency of the mineral. Of the mineral. Options: one is iron, two is calcium, three is iodine. Fourth is potassium. Potassium. So answer is iodine. The answer that iodine causes goiter. Then next, D is a type of junk food. Type of junk food. Options given. One is orange. Second is milk. Third is bhakri. Fourth is chocolate. Chocolate. Okay, so answer is that is chocolate. So orange is fruit, milk is also very essential, bhakri, but chocolate is a type of junk food. Write down. Then question 4. Question is, use the food pyramid. I'm going to read only the question. Use the food pyramid to select food item of your choice for 3 days. Okay, it's your question. In that question, you have to write conditions are given. So the diet for all 3 days should be balanced. Your diet should be balanced and there should be variety in the items chosen for the 3 days. Okay, this is an activity based question. So just we discuss this question and answer also. So you know you use food pyramid. So in your syllabus a pyramid is given. This pyramid is given. Okay. So with the help of this pyramid, you have to choose your diet for 3 days. The diet for all 3 days should be balanced. Okay, the condition is there. Balanced diet hona chahiye. Or there should be a variety in the items chosen for the 3 days. So your answer is day 1. We use what? No need to write this answer. So discuss answer. So day 1, what you use? You can use cereals. Okay, that are the energy giving food like cornflakes you can eat, and milk, apple, roti, sabzi and dal that you can eat. आपको अपने मन से लिखना है आप क्या खा सकते हो, है ना? And make a food pyramid of this also. Means सबसे पहले the first day cereals like cornflakes, milk, fruits you can take apple, guava, anything, roti, sabzi and dal that should include in your diet. And day 2 you can eat bread also, butter with milk, curd also, rice, roti, chicken, curd, eggs, and any one type of fruit you can include in your diet. Then in the third day आपको अपने मन से लिखना है ना, third day whatever you like. So in nashta you can use poha, upma, idli, all thing. Then you can write green leafy vegetable you can take, salad you can take, and dal also. So with rice or roti you can take curd, milk, one fruit, vegetables, so that you can include in your diet. Okay, so it's the plan of your diet for 3 days. So you can make a plan of diet also for remaining days. Okay. Okay, so here we finish our lesson nutrition and diet. So you have to draw this diagram of food pyramid in your copy. Okay, so maybe all diagram, that a diagram is important. Also you can draw many few more diagrams. So carbohydrate rich food items, then fat rich food items की diagram आप draw कर सकते हो, and protein rich food items. So that diagrams you can draw in your copy. Protein rich food items, then fats rich food items, then cereals means carbohydrate rich food items. So you can draw these diagrams. So here we finish the lesson. Okay, then also learn these charts. ये charts भी learn करने हैं, पूरे जो chart है deficiency वाले, vitamins, minerals. So you learn these charts also. Okay, and food items also you can learn, and adulterants. Okay, which adulterants means milk. मिल्क में क्या क्या मिलावट होती है, दैट मीन्स द एडल्टरेंट्स. सो मिल्क में क्या मिलाते हैं, वाटर, केमिकल्स लाइक यूरिया एंड स्टार्च, दैट एडल्टरेंट्स आर यूज्ड इन मिल्क. देन चिली में ब्रिक पाउडर इज यूजुअली यूज्ड, ओके, टू इंक्रीज द क्वांटिटी, और उसकी क्वालिटी वो डिक्रीज कर देते हैं बाय एडिंग दिस एडल्टरेंट, लाइक इन चिली ब्रिक पाउडर. देन पाउडर्ड pumpkin also. Then pepper corn, papaya seeds. Pepper corn में papaya seeds use करते हैं usually in ice cream, washing soda and paper pulp use as adulterant. Then rice, small white stones use, और peanuts में radish pebbles or stones. These adulterants are always used in the given food atom. So this is about the nutrition and diet. So let's revise once again in small. So nutrition is a process of taking food and water and using them to obtain energy and for the purposes of growth and other bodily functions. Then a diet containing all nutrients in the right quantity, that is called a balanced diet. Okay. So balanced diet में क्या क्या include होता है, carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals and fiber are the nutrients in the food. Then a balanced diet includes all the nutrients in right proportion. So we know the food pyramid. So what we include in our balanced diet. Then a food pyramid helps us to choose a balanced डाइट. आप अपने रोज का बैलेंस डाइट का पिरामिड का चार्ट बना सकते हो, पिरामिड बना सकते हो. Whether a person is malnourished or has deficiency disease depends upon the proportions of food taken. Then junk food gives us energy but not other nutrients, so they are not good for our health. Then adulterated food is impure and harmful to the health. So this is in short we learn in this topic. Okay, so one activity is given. Obtain information on simple method of spotting the adulteration in foodstuffs and try out them. So take a different food atoms and find out the which adulterants are used in the food atoms. Okay, so this is about the lesson. Now this is a 7th lesson. Now 8th lesson. So that is our skeletal system and the skin. With this lesson we continue in our next video. So you have 1 to 8 lesson for your terminal exam. Okay, first terminal exam के लिए आपके 1 to 8 lesson आपको है. So you please be prepared for the exam. So in our next video we will continue another last lesson. Okay, our skeletal system and the skin. So bye everyone.